Between our Easy Puff and our Easy Puff Metallic, puff heat transfer materials have become a must-have to elevate your design, literally giving your creations extra dimension. Well, we're taking things even further with the next iteration of puffy material. Tune in as we welcome the all-new Easy Puff Glitter to the team. Let's dive in. Just like our Diamond Dust HTV, Easy Puff Glitter is composed of ultra-fine glitter flakes and adds a brilliant shimmer to any design. Now you may notice with Easy Puff Glitter, just like our other products, starts out flat. It's when you heat apply the material that you achieve a dimensional, slightly iridescent, glittery, and puffy finish. Easy Puff Glitter comes in 12-inch rolls with 8 stunning colors to choose from: blue raspberry, cinnamon rose, dream gray, orange slice, pastel lilac, pink salt, sour apple, and rainbow black. Well, and because we're Siser, you never know what color we come up with next. Easy Puff Glitter applies at 310 degrees Fahrenheit or 155 degrees Celsius for a total time of 12 to 17 seconds. Now it's a 2-step application, however Glitter Puff is slightly different than our other 2-step products. So let's break it down press by press. After you've cut and weeded your design using the cut settings in the description below, place your design onto your substrate of choice. You'll next cover your design with a cover sheet and press for just 2 seconds. Give your design some time off the press to cool for about 10 seconds, then peel the carrier warm. Pro tip: now for best results, I recommend using parchment paper as Teflon holds heat longer and this can cause your Easy Puff to overcook or fail prematurely. Lastly, you'll cover your design with parchment paper and press for another 10 to 15 seconds. Now a quick tip: the first press is merely to activate the adhesive of the material, while the second press is to activate the puff effect. So keep this in mind when you're mixing other materials in your design. Now the final step is my favorite step. Simply remove your garment from the heat press and stare in awe of your creation. A note: this material is not recommended for use on a home iron as proper pressure is crucial when applying Easy Puff Glitter. Ooh, and another pro tip: although Easy Puff Glitter is not recommended to be layered, you can still get the visual effect of layering by using the knockout method. And if you want to know how to use the knockout method, be sure to check our blog on how to fake layer heat transfer material, linked in the description below. And if you want to know where you can find Easy Puff Glitter, reach out to your local reseller or distributor today. And if you don't have one, send us an email to info@siserna.com for the closest location near you. And until next time, bye everyone.